Hi, I'm Brittany with Dutchmen RV, and I'm here to walk you through a Voltage 4205 toy hauler floor plan. To start, we have the 0G ramp door, which means it's really lightweight and easy to open and close. Next, in conjunction, we have the all-new stack-up patio system, which means the great feature of this is that you can lift the rails up and swing them all the way into the sidewalls like this to have the full depth of your 10-foot plus room of garage, or you can still store them along the ramp door and have your full width of space. So a lot of options to store your toys in here. The other great features in the garage, we have a TV for entertainment, you have washer and dryer hookup and an upgraded subwoofer, and then for added convenience we have a half bath, so you don't have to go all the way into your toy hauler to go to the bathroom. As we move inside here, we have the Thomas Paine couch. Each of these seats reclines. They also have lighted cup holders that offer massage and heated seats, which is really nice. And then we have, with the entertainment center, we have a 50-inch TV that can come out and slide around to see different angles. This comes with a Jensen audio system, so you have a stereo and DVD player. You can also hook this up to your phone and be able to control your volume or your stations from outside by the campfire. And then we have, speaking of fire, have a nice 40-inch built-in electric fireplace. Can add a nice ambiance to the living space and also help warm up your RV. When we move to the kitchen, we have a really large 18 cubic foot refrigerator. We have a stainless steel appliance set, so you have a large convection oven, you have a 3-burner range, a 21-inch oven, and then there's a glass flush top to add some extra versatile counter space. We do have solid surface countertops in the Voltage floor plans. This large basin sink with the pull-down spray faucet has matching flush sink covers, so that'll add to even more counter space, and there is ample storage. So you'll see cupboards everywhere, lots of drawers, deep drawer space that are full extension. We have this pantry storage place, and then in here you have a lot of your command center, which includes the in-command system, so you can monitor and control a lot of the power systems in your RV, including the tanks and the slides and the awnings, and all that is in one central hub. And that is also available on your phone, so you can download the app and control all these devices from your smartphone or tablet. And then as we move back, the highlight of the 4205 is this mid-bunk room here. And what's great is you can keep your kids close to you when you sleep and your toys in the garage overnight. And then as we move into the bathroom here, we have a full bath with a skylight, and then there's a seat in the bathtub, lots of storage and space, very roomy bathroom. And then in our bedroom here, we have a TV, a queen-size bed, wardrobes for storing all your clothes. There are electric outlets on both sides of the bed, and a charging station here for USBs. So lots of space to sleep and for your nightstand to walk around. So thanks for tuning in to check out the Voltage 4205 Toy Hauler Floor Plan. For more floor plans and information, visit Dutchmen.com.